Hey folks, Technivorous here. You've come at a good time. Welcome to the channel. I have big news today. Today, I have just put in a purchase order for two brand new Ender 3 version 2s from Creality. They're going to be sent to me by Banggood, and I'm going to be giving one away. That's right, one of you people watching this video is going to receive a brand new Ender 3 version 2 purchased by me, sent to you from Banggood.com, and this is a big contest, folks. And as always, nothing is for free. So you're going to have to work for it a little bit. And in order to tell you what you have to do, let's go over the contest rules. Alright, so in order to win, this is a social media sharing contest, and it's based on a point system. What that means is you're going to be sharing my links, and at the end of the contest period, you'll send me a list of those links, and I will verify them, and depending on which social media site you're posting on, they will be each given a certain point value. And I'll tell you what those point breakdowns are right now. On Facebook, if you're putting up a personal or group post, you're going to get 2 points. And on Twitter, a link tweet will get you 2 points, and a link tweet with an @ mention of me, Technivorous, will get you 3 points. The next two are a little bit higher scoring because these two sites are sites that you'll really only want to post if it's in response to somebody's question or if it's helpful or on topic. So I wouldn't recommend spamming these sites, but if you can find a good reason to post one of my links and tell these people how it helped you out, you're going to get massive points. Those two sites are Reddit and Quora, and for Quora you will get 5 points, and in the main 3D printing Reddit you will get 5 points. Any other 3D printing Reddit and you will still get 4 points, so lots of points to be had on Reddit. And as I said, I don't recommend just spamming Reddit with a bunch of links. You're going to want to wait for people asking questions. You're going to want to point out how my videos were helpful to you or make it a relevant topic, so that way they're a little bit better received and you won't get yelled at for spamming. Although the rule on Reddit is no self-promotion, and you're not promoting yourself, so technically you should be able to post as many as you want without getting in trouble, but I wouldn't recommend pushing it. Other than that, any other site I haven't mentioned will score you 3 points. So all you have to do is open a notepad, then head over to your favorite social media site. Once there, post a link to your favorite Technivorous video and explain why it's your favorite or how it helped you. Then I want you to copy the link to the post and paste it in your notepad. When the contest is up, you'll email me the contents of your notepad with all your links, and I will verify and tally the points. A few weeks later, once I've tallied the score, I will announce a winner. And you can post as many links as you want on any social media site you want. Just be aware of the different point values I mentioned earlier. Person with the most valid links will be the winner, and for it I will reward said person with their very own Ender 3 version 2. In the event of a tie, the first winner announced to respond in the comments of the announcement video will be declared the winner. So go! Get out there and post all the links to my videos you can. The contest deadline is December 1st, so that's a little over 2 months to score as many points as you can. When you feel you're ready to submit your list of links, send them to me at technivorous@gmail.com. That address is on the screen. All entries must be received on or before December 1st, and please don't email me a bunch of times with different smaller lists. The goal here is to have all the links checked and a winner announced by December 15th in time for the winner to receive their printer before the new year. So, once you email me your list, that is it. There is no adding to it, and it is for that reason I suggest waiting until the end of November before sending me your list. So, now that we're all clear on the rules, get out there and win yourself an Ender 3 version 2. That way you can follow along with me when I get mine, and we go over the various mods that we know will be happening, as the Ender 3 has an amazing support community, and I think a lot of the mods from the original Ender 3 will actually fit on the version 2, so we're going to be doing a lot of videos on this printer. If you can't wait and you'd like to get a hold of an Ender 3 version 2 now so you can follow along without having to wonder if you're going to win that contest, I put a link down below to Banggood. It is an affiliate link, so ordering one off of that link will help the channel quite a bit, as well as, hey, I mean, you could still enter the contest. Maybe you could end up with 2 Ender 3s. So that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for popping by. If you've just came to this channel for the first time, you are more than welcome to enter the contest. You don't have to be a subscriber, although I definitely recommend that you ring that bell for notifications and hit the subscribe button. That way you don't miss the announcement video. Because as I said, in the event that there is a tie, I'm going to announce the tied winners, the tying parties, and the first one of those people to comment on that video is going to be declared the winner. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that, and hitting that notification button will help you do that. So that's going to be it, guys. Technivorous out.